Hi everybody, it's Chartsky, wishing a happy holidays to you and your family if you're lucky enough to have one. I hadn't done any videos for a while, so I thought I'd do some from the last week or so, which show things I think are important. I don't do videos all the time, but I do when I think there are some important things to do, and also do them every few months just to show we're still alive and kicking. But the stock indexes have been glued to all-time highs, as you've surely seen for those last few months. And the other markets have been pretty much dead until they spike, but all are absolutely dominated by the high-frequency trading computers. And that just makes our job a little more challenging, but not impossible. Heck, if it was easy, everybody'd be doing it. But we are and have been responding by taking fewer trades at times, really enforcing our patience and self-discipline, and following our hard-learned and usually expensive, at least for me to have learned years ago, what I call the rules by which we trade in the live trading room. So here's December 5th, 2017. The NASDAQ market is pretty violently, hysterically whippy at 9:30, and it was today. It cost us two small losers. So here we are after two small losers and what we did on the third trade in the live trading room. Okay. See if it'll continue on a push. Let's come back. See if it'll take out the high. A couple of ticks. I should go on. Let's go to break even. $40 ticks is what we're looking for out of this one on the double. +1, make it a free trade. Should get on through us. It's hit. Let's just give it time and room, and well, it's kissed us right there on the profit target. Well, I'm glad we're done with this. This hysterically violent NASDAQ, but we doubled up. We went with the trend, extended the profit target. And I feel fortunate that we're done with it. But we're not going to hang around trying to fool with this thing anymore today. We'll see if there's any questions. If there are, we'll deal with them. Otherwise, man alive, this NASDAQ was violently hysterical again this morning. Okay, there you have it. The morning session from December 5th. So, what's important about today? Why did I make this video? We got the daily profit target plus after starting the morning session with two small losses in a violently, hysterically whipping NASDAQ market. There it is, the NASDAQ market highlighted in green in the upper left. But before I talk about the NASDAQ, there was also an early trade in the EuroFX. And we got out of that one at break even almost immediately after we got in because of the way it was filled. I try and show and encourage only good habits in the live trading room, and if a market doesn't do what I expect, either during or after the entry, then I almost always close that trade out at break even. I don't like to trade on what I call hopium. Okay? But getting back to the NASDAQ, it was once again violently, hysterically untradeable at about 9:30. Of course, we didn't know that at the time, and that's only been going on for about the last week or so. We took two sales that we almost instantly had to close out at small losses. Like I always like to say, all it takes is one good trade. And so we got that good trade. We only had one market that was moving this morning, and that's the NASDAQ. But thankfully, we only needed the one. And very important to note, also one of the reasons I'm showing this video is that we followed our rules and our trading plan. We came back from the two small losses and got the daily profit target plus again after starting in a hole. So that's December 5th. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important, and I urge you to read it. And if you want more information or you're ready to join us, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com. We'll be glad to have you. And thanks for watching.
Let's roll. Hey, let's be careful out there.